Hello, welcome back to Sharing with Serena. I want to be upfront with you that my video, I may get paid through affiliate programs if you make a purchase. It's the unfortunate fact that being a small YouTuber, we need money through sponsorships, affiliate programs, or buy me a coffee to do what we love. Recently, I purchased TubeBuddy. Oh, I love their search feature, and it helped me to manage my YouTube channel a bit easier. There is a free version. If you want to know more about it, I will make a video tutorial on my other YouTube channel. Now, let's get back to why you are watching this video. Do you ever eat fried tofu? No? What is it? What can you do with it? Eat it! Yes, you can. Today, I will show you how to fry tofu milk, which is known as tofu skin or paper, to make tofu spam for my vegetarian Vietnamese sandwich. Don't worry if you don't have tofu skin available at the moment. I can also show you how to make it with fresh tofu in order to use it with our veggie spam. A Vietnamese sandwich is not complete without carrots or white radish pickles. However, I will use jicama and white onions such as substitutes or any other combination of ingredients you like to taste in your sandwich. Experiment! In the end, whatever is left of the tofu spam, I make a couple of appetizers. Today's video will be divided into sections, and there is also a timestamp below for your convenience. Warning, I am trying something different this time. Please leave a comment if you like or dislike my new format. Let's dive right in. These are the ingredients for traditional Vietnamese spam that is popular among Vietnamese vegetarians. Most of the time, the spam will be wrapped with banana leaves and steamed in a pot. However, with my way, you don't have to wrap or steam it. We bake it. First, I want to show you how to make the tofu paper. To me, it doesn't matter how it looks, but how it tastes. If you are a visual eater, then this might not be for you. The key is to get it firm and dry. If you want an easier time, use store-bought stuff. If you want to clean it thoroughly, you can rinse it with warm water. Afterwards, try to get as much water out the skin as possible. information on Learn the First method. If you don't have the tofu skin or don't want to use your time to make it, you can use fresh tofu. You can make your own, or you can use the one from a store if time is valuable. I think by using tofu, the texture will be more like Spam than the traditional. Usually I don't do long video, but I only do one per month. Please forgive me and enjoy it. I couldn't find any small jicama before the shooting of this video. Unfortunately, I need a bigger jar as I eat pickle as a snack. make the sandwich. Without mayonnaise, it's not a sandwich. Giving away a couple of gifts for Christmas. I have 3 individual gifts for 3 individual winners: an apron, a white t-shirt, and a digital cook recipe of 5 famous Southern Vietnamese vegetarian foods. The promotion had nothing to do with YouTube or Amazon or TubeBuddy. I know my gifts are not much, but I would like to show my appreciation for those who have watched my video this year. By the way, I'm also going to sign the apron and t-shirt along with the painted art because you may never know if my art will be worth something later on. If you win, you can get something artfully made by me from the bottom of my heart. You don't have to subscribe to my channel, but you have to send me an email at sharingwithserena2020@gmail.com with your first and last name because people may have the same first or last names. In the email, write, I would like to win. On December 1st, I will draw 3 people on YouTube Live and select the 3 winners. I will send you an email to remind you when is the live event. Thank you so much. Please stay safe. And if you live in America, please follow